Hello, welcome to another edition of my YouTube channel. Today is a very nice day. You are back from your enjoyment, Children's Day celebration. I hope you celebrated very well. So we are back to study. Remember, I will excel, the mathematics teacher. We are in today for a new study. Thank you for being in here. Parents, thank you for bringing your children close. Remember, they will gain a lot when you do so. Boys and girls, let's get to class for an interesting topic today. It's like a game. I want us to play some games so that we can go over to our fraction. And so today we are going into quick key to addition of number series. Quick key to addition of numbers. They just ask you this plus this plus this plus this. Yeah, you give it to them under a minute. That is how you feel your brain, you grow in your proficiency of mathematics. So we are going over to quick key. In this quick key, I separated them odd number and even numbers because it's not the way you add the odd numbers that you add the even number series, and the numbers must be in series, not just you go and pick just 1 2 3 numbers say you're adding. No, the number must be in a series. Okay, so some series can be odd number, some series can be even number. So let's start with the odd number series. When I say odd number series, I mean 1 2 3 4 5. How many? 5. 5 is odd number. 5 is odd number. So this series now is 5 in number. So how do you do this quick addition series? You first of all get the number of the series. The number of the series 1 2 3 4 5. The number of the series is 5. So you say which number is in the middle? 1 2 3 4 5. 9 is in the middle. 9 is in the middle. And then you say 9 times 5. That will give us what? 45. When you add all those things, you're going to get 45. 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus 12 plus 15. 6 plus 3 will give us 9. 9 plus 9 will give us 18. 18 plus 12 will give us 30. 30 plus 15 will give us 45. Give us 45. You see. So when you do it this way, you've gotten the number without saying 9 plus 2 plus 3, 9, 10, 11, 12 plus 4. You count your hand, count your feet. You get it quick. Okay? So let's get to the second one, another example. Let's get another example, okay? How many series of numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is odd number. It can be more than 5. It can be 6. It can be 7. It can be any odd number. But I use this just 5 series to give example. So their series of number is 5. Number in the middle. Number in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 30 is in the middle. So what do? We say 30 times 5. 5 times 0, 0. 5 times 3, 15. So we have 150. When you add all this, 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus 40 plus 50, that will give us 150. That will give us what? 150. Quick key. Okay, these numbers are odd. Okay, let's get to even. When I say even, I say 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 4. You know, 4 is even number. So this series now is only 4 series. 4 series of number. So 4 series of number, the number is 4. And the one in the middle. Here, in the even number, you always see two numbers in the middle. So the two numbers in the middle, you are going to do what? Pay attention. 14, 14 and 21 is in the middle. 14 plus 21 will give you, 35. Will give you what? 35. Then that 35 divide by 2 times the number of series. 2 divide itself. 35 times 2. 35 times 2 will give us 70. Give us what? 70. And when you add all these, you will get 70. Good. Let's do this one. 1 to 8. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8. 8 number series. And it is even. Which one is in the middle? 1, 2, 3, 4. These two are in the middle. So we say 4 plus 5 is giving us 9. That 9, which is the middle number now, divide by 2 times the number in the series times the number of the series. So 2 divide itself 1, 2 divide is 4. We now have 9 times 4. I quickly remind you another way. That way I taught you to calculate your multiplication without looking at the multiplication table. I go back again. 9 times 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 18. This is 18. 8 plus 8 will give us 16. That will be 36. So 9 times 4 will give us what? 36. So when you add all these numbers, together, you're going to get 36. So we are asked, when you are asked that type of question, you quickly do your quick key and give them the answer in 1 minute. Okay, that is how you grow in your proficiency in mathematics. As we learn how to solve maths, we also come up and teach you how you do your calculations very fast. Okay, that brings us to the end of quick key to addition in number series. I hope you understood it very well. So, it's like a game. So I want you to do the game at home and write your comments on my comment section. So do this, and do this. Good. You do this and you do this. This is exercise number 1, 2, 3. On the odd side, 3. On the even side, 3. By the time you do it, you say, wow, it's true. Wow, it's true. So practice the exercise, and I want to see your mind in my comment section. I would like to know the country you're watching from, so that I'll give you hope in my next video. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much. Remember, I will excel. Always share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Tell your friends about the teaching. It's very interesting, especially those you know that dread mathematics. These are the people I'm looking for. Looking for them very well. I want to get them. I want us to move on the same train in our mathematics proficiency. Thank you, boys and girls. Thank you, my esteemed parents. Like, share, and subscribe to I Will Excel channel, Mathematics Teacher. Bye-bye.